Hi everybody. Recently I went to Costco and I bought this Keto Instant Pot Cookbook. So this cookbook has lots of low-carb recipes in it that you make in the Instant Pot. And one of them that kind of caught my eye was a low-carb cheesecake that you can make in the Instant Pot. So I thought that sounded kind of interesting. So I thought I would give that a try. So I'm not going to talk while I'm making this recipe, so you won't hear from me until after it's all done and I'm actually tasting it. So let's find out how it turned out. To see more videos like this, click the subscribe button below. Click the bell and you'll be notified of new videos as they are produced. Okay, the cheesecake's all done, and I cut up two pieces, one for me and one for Carol, my guest reviewer.
And his wife.
And wife. Yes, just happens to be my wife. So this is what it looks like, and so it came out, it turned out pretty good. It's not there's no crust on it because there's no graham cracker crust since it's low carb, and it came out pretty firm. You know, it's not like all squishy and everything.
Can we try it?
So let's try it. So what do you think?
I like it. It's really lemony.
Yeah, lemony. Well, okay, it's got the juice from a whole lemon, plus the zest from a whole lemon, plus a half teaspoon of lemon extract. So it's got a lot of lemon in it.
It really leaves a good taste in your mouth.
Yeah, it's there's ricotta cheese in it, so it adds a little bit of a kind of a grainy texture to it, I think.
If I'm not careful, I'll eat the whole thing.
Well, that's a good sign. So, I mean, I don't think it would pass for, you know, you couldn't fool somebody into thinking that this was regular cheesecake. It's it's low carb, but
It's really good.
it is good.
Mm-hmm.
And a serving size is actually 1/6 of the cheesecake, and these two pieces together are about 1/6. So these are about half a serving each, I would say.
Mm.
But all in all, I would make it again.
I'd definitely have it again.
Maybe even try some other flavor, like with orange or lime or something like that. But thumbs up? 2 thumbs up. Yes. Bye.
Bye.